ito kasi parang may pagka-sci-fi kasi nga may ability si Linlin na mapredict kung ano yung madadala sa buhay. May ganun siya eh. So parang sabi ko, iba to. Kaya rom-com man siya, may ganun siyang aspeto kaya nagustuhan ko.
Ako feeling ko, pre-planned nang mag-reunion kami ng tatlo. Talagang pinag-usapan na namin. And then, I think we just waited till Direk would get inspired again and write a love story for both Kaloy and I. But more than anything, ang ganda ng touch na sulat ni Direk ng movie Cruise. And yeah, same with Kaloy. I think what makes this special is the fantasy aspect of it. I don't do much of it. Feeling ko yung pinaka-nagawa kong fantasies sa Once Upon a Time or yung Blogsy. But this one, Mirabella, oo nga pala. Yan na yun yung kulay ko. Yeah. But yeah, it's deep and it's very meaningful. So.
Okay, so Julia, you're on a roll, ha? Sinunod-sinunod mo lang. And ang galing nung sa trailer pa lang. So, since Metro Manila Film Fest to, ready ka na rin ba lumaban kay Vilma at Juday? Siyempre, for Best Actress!
Of course.
O tingin nyo, direct na.
Ano naman?
May
Ang
laban.
sabi kasi kaya ni Juju dito. Para ako yun di ba? Direk.
Oo.
You know what? I don't know. I'm not sure how to answer this question. Number one, sobrang silang dalawang iniidolo. So even to mention my name beside theirs is medyo nakakadyahe siya. But I think this alone, this film making it to the MMFF on their 50th year and just being included is already such a great honor. So, ayun. Grateful naman ako with this alone.
And of course, would you say ito yung isa sa best performances yet mo?
Sino? Alam mo?
Ikaw, you would say na ito ay isa sa best performances mo. You showed yung isa sa best performances mo. Hopefully.
I don't think I should be the one answering
Si
this.
Direk.
Feeling ko naman in every project, we just always try to give it our best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That
Sa new movie, kay
Saan?
Miss Julia,
Ayun.
or yun po, anong gana, yes. Since you have a superpower dito sa movie na to, in real life ba, gusto mo ba ng same superpower? O any superpower na gusto mo magkaroon ka?
Maybe not this one. Kasi it really makes you a very guarded person. And it's so isolating. Siguro kung may superpower, it would be teleportation. And I think it's maybe kasi I love to travel. So, and I don't have that much time. So if I could just... Something's going on. So if I could travel for a few hours, teleport, and then ako, wow, that would be such a gift.
And ilang beses ka na nag-shoot sa Japan, right?
Yes.
So, ano pong na-discover mo sa Japan this time? Bago na-discover?
You know what? It's as peaceful. In Japan, we are shooting in this place called Saga and Karatsu, which is a peaceful, quiet, calming place in Japan. So I feel like it's still the same. Yung first time ko, but yung second time, it's really laid back, slow paced, and mas nakaka-focus ka kasi wala masyado talagang distraction, kahit ingay mo lang. So masarap mag-shoot doon.
Okay. Thank you. Good luck sa movie.
Thank you. That was Erwin Ogawa of Pananganap. Up next, we have Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Ayan. First question ko sa cast na lang kasi regarding din sa special ability ng character ni Julia. Kasi di ba you can tell parang sa pag-touch pa lang kung magdudulot ng sakit or saya ang isang tao. If ever meron kayong ganun sa inyo dalawa na cast, ano yung mas gagamitin nyo or mas magiging excited kayo? Yung malaman yung tao na magdudulot ng saya or yung malaman yung tao na magdudulot ng sakit?
Mas gusto ko para ka na. Ang hirap na, ano? Paano nga? Siguro parang mas kong malaman kung... Oh my God. Ang hirap. Ikaw, Jason. Oo, ikaw nagsulat eh. Para kasing okay yung sakit eh, di ba?
Kasi it will protect yourself.
Oo, kaya lang, kaya yung sakit kasi nagagamit mo yun sa future eh, di ba? Para...
Ano siya, self-preservation siya, di ba? Parang
Oo.
iiwasan mo na masaktan or... Pero syempre, nga, ang hirap ng tanong.
Di ba? Ang hirap sagutin na pwede ba, ewan ko.
Pero ako siguro sakit ka lang. Hindi naman ako tinatanong. Pero sakit, parang ano, nasa punto ako ng edad ko na parang sakit yung gusto kong maiwasan. Di ba? Okay, kaya mas bata-bata.
Pwede ba pareho? Hindi ba pwedeng ano na? Hindi eh, kapag pinapipili mo nga ako na hindi ba naman ako? Oo, kung malalaman ko na lang kung sasaktan ako siguro. Wala nang explanation kasi ang hirap eh.
And how about you, Julia?
Ang theory ko, kapag yung tao, marami nang pinagdaan ng sakit, ayaw nang masaktan ulit. Kaya mas pipili niya yung ability na ma-detect yung sakit. Pero kung hindi ka nasaktan,
Makes you stronger eh, di ba? Yun yung mga magagamit mo yung sakit na yun in the future para
oo, di ba? Pero,
para mas maging maayos kang tao, para mas
pero actually, matatakil yan sa film, di ba? Si Julia, nasabi niya.
Ako ngayon na ano ko na yung brainstorming ninyo. Baka doon ako sa mas na-excite ako kapag nagkaroon ako ng feeling na this person is going to be good for me. Kasi given na, to me parang given na there's good and there's bad. And because now, sometimes the world can be so cruel that it feels so parang siyang breath of fresh air kapag naka-cross paths ka with something or someone good. So, I think when moments like that happen, you value it even more because it's a bit rare these days. So, kung ako mas ma-excite ako pag nakaramdam ako ng magiging okay ka para sa akin. Dito ka lang. Parang gano'n. Yun lang.
Sige, thank you. I think that's what makes this film special kasi yun nga, nagkakaroon ng discussion about that.
Good question yun.
So yung second question ko direct, kasi di ba, I think this is your second time na you'll be making, you made romantic fantasy film. So, kasi di ba meron kayong Love is Blind ba?
Well.
So how was it? Parang ano yung experience doing romantic fantasy compared to other films that other genre of films that you're doing? Ano yung pagkakaiba din?
Well, kasi sa filmography ko, dami ko rin nagawang romance films din. Parang ako personally as creator, parang gusto ko lang makagawa ng may twist or may something different than the usual. So, even before ito, meron akong romance sci-fi, yung with Jasmine Curtis and Jerome Ponce, yung A Glimpse of Forever. So, ayun, parang this is just my way of trying something new para naman hindi pa ulit-ulit yung ginagawa.
And yung sa Japan ba parang, kasi parang yung story is somewhat parang same ng manga eh. So is this, the story was inspired on a manga story or anime story? That's why you picked Japan then as well?
Hindi naman siya directly inspired sa ganun, pero I grew up with those. And Japan has a special place in my heart. So, back when we were doing Between Navies kami ni Julia, parang inaral ko talaga yung iba't ibang Japanese philosophies, and I try to apply them sa mga films ko, especially when they're set in Japan. So, the same goes with dito sa Hold Me Close.
Okay, thank you then.
Thank you.